Is it time to buy or sell asset entities stock? In this video, we are diving deep into asset entities. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 22nd of May, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 24th of April, 2025, our system has classified asset entities as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now, let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. During this period, the stock has exceeded our projections, showing an impressive gain of over 2,117.87% since we initially recommended purchasing asset entities just 21 days ago. This amounts to an average return of 100.85% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 suggests that our system expects considerable volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the recent developments, we are currently unable to forecast the stock's next direction, as it could move in either direction. The stock has broken through a very wide and strong rising short-term trend, indicating an even stronger rate of increase. For any pullback, there will now be support at the level of $9.01, a point that may provide a second opportunity to capitalize on a significant upward movement. According to fan theory, $14.52 could be the next potential peak level, presenting a resistance point that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 214.53% over the coming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 15.16% to positive 117.88%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 1.99%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 96.53% and negative 77.97% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between 45.1 cents and $2.87. Our latest daily update for asset entities includes the headline, High Volatility in Asset Entities Incorporated stock price on Thursday, which ended trading at $13.01. The Asset Entities Incorporated stock price gained 61.82% on the last trading day, Thursday, the 22nd of May, 2025, rising from $8.04 to $13.01. It has now gained for 4 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to rise or takes a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 47.25%, reaching a low of $9.10 and a high of $13.40. The price has increased in 6 out of the last 10 days and is up by 69.18% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 2 million shares, with a total of 37 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $483 million and 11 cents. It is important to note that falling volume amid rising prices can indicate divergence and may signal potential changes in the near future. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $13.40, while the lowest price was 33.5 cents. Currently, the price is 2.91%, or 39 cents, below the 52-week high, and 62.72%, or $21.89, below the all-time high on February 3, 2023, when the price reached $34.90. Recent developments surrounding Asset Entities Incorporated, trading under the ticker ASST, signal a significant pivot towards innovative financial strategies, especially in the realm of cryptocurrency. On the 7th of May, 2025, announcements regarding a proposed merger with Strive Asset Management aim to establish the first publicly traded asset management Bitcoin treasury company. This merger could drastically alter ASST's market position by enhancing Bitcoin exposure, aligning with current trends favoring digital assets. However, this positive momentum is tempered by investigations from firms like Monteverde and Associates and Helper Seyde, which are assessing the fairness of the merger to shareholders. Such scrutiny can create volatility in the stock price as investors react to concerns about valuation and potential legal implications. In the short term, the investigation could pressure ASST's stock price as uncertainty mounts. Conversely, if the merger proceeds smoothly and successfully positions the company within the cryptocurrency sector, it could attract new investment, bolstering confidence in the long-term growth potential of ASST. The previous notable increase in gross revenues by 237% in late 2024, following the company's acquisition of TikTok-related assets, further complements this narrative, showcasing ASST's ability to harness digital platforms effectively. In summary, while immediate challenges may pose risks, the long-term outlook could be favorable should the merger succeed, reflecting the rising interest in cryptocurrency and asset management. Analysts have assigned Asset Entity's stock a general strong sell rating. They have assessed the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock with a strong sell assessment. The following signals have been identified for asset entities. The stock of Asset Entities Incorporated is showing buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, which suggests a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected at $7.57 and $2.79. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, May 14, 2025, and to date, it has appreciated 176.81%. Further increases are suggested until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is also present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day despite the rise in prices, creating a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning signal. Therefore, it is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 7 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 250 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 25 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 13 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 25 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 20 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 13 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for asset entities. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume beneath today's level. Under the right conditions, this stock may experience significant declines in the coming days. It's important to note that this stock has the potential for substantial daily movement, demonstrating considerable volatility. With a wide prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $4.30 between its high and low, which equates to a volatility of 47.25%. When observing the past week, the stock exhibited an average daily volatility of 30.81%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for asset entities, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for asset entities. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests that the stock could rise swiftly under favorable conditions. In this scenario, you may want to consider entering a position and use volume as a guide for when to exit. Additionally, there is no substantial support from accumulated volume below, indicating that the stock could potentially decline sharply under specific conditions. It is advisable to proceed with caution and only place trades if you are an experienced trader capable of navigating such situations. The combined average rating for asset entities from multiple analyst sources is classified as a strong sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 6th of December, 2024, when Gaubert Michael executed an insider sale of 250,000 shares of Class A common stock. Our recommended stop loss is set at $12.63, which represents a decrease of 2.9%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, resulting in a high level of risk. There is a buy signal indicated by a pivot bottom that was identified 6 days ago. Is Asset Entity stock a good buy? Asset Entities Incorporated holds several positive signals. However, these are not sufficient for us to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it is more advisable to view it as a hold candidate, meaning to hold or accumulate shares while we wait for further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our conclusion for this stock from a strong buy to a hold or accumulate position since the last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 23rd of May, we anticipate that asset entities will open lower by $1.17, starting at $11.84. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Do not base your investment decisions solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.